Need a hand? Well, how about a spare arm? I wonder if there's any buried treasure here. Uh-oh, Dracula doesn't live nearby, does he? I'm almost too scared to look, but not that scared. Ugh, whoever's in here sure is messy. Wait a sec, it's not the undead, it's Orin! They've just been preserved in slime. And they've got all this cool stuff with them. Good thing you've got that shovel. Never mind, that'll take too long. Guess we gotta get our hands dirty. Or slimy, as the case may be. Never knew Pinky was so transparent. Ah, strawberry milk. Always makes things better. Careful, you might feel a slight pink. Look at that. You're somebody now. Uh-oh, looks like you've got company. Ooh, Pinky, you're looking a little red. Probably shouldn't poke those eyes. Unless you're using cucumber slices. Everyone can use a facial now and then. You gotta let the good times roll. Okay, I think it's time for the big unveiling. Ah, much better. Hey, Oaxis, you got something for us? It's blank, but we can fix that. It's Pinky. Well, she's gonna need some pink and a little purple. Why don't we cut her out, too? Now give her some friends and some enemies. Still, they're looking a bit flat. This'll liven things up. Remember, folks, it's important to stay hydrated. It also pays to color coordinate. Now this guy's really gonna take the plunge. Here, Simon, we haven't forgotten you. All two of you. Wow, someone sure was thirsty today. Why don't we stack you up like pancakes? And flatten you up, also like pancakes. Looks like Ratty's doing his business. Hey, he could use a little privacy in here. You could at least remember to flush. Looks like we got a clog. Better clean it up. Here, this should clean things up. At the very least, we've got bubbles. You never go wrong with bubbles. Looks like it's time to water our vase. Pesky flowers. Now for some shaving cream. Cool stash. But now let's add it to the water. Nice and frothy, but let's add some color. Pick any color to start, but don't worry, we're adding the whole rainbow. And look, the foam's not the only thing getting a makeover. Now it's time to mix it all together. Hold on a sec. There's something inside. Who is it? Wow, it's a rainbow Sprunki. Complete with a beret. Ooh, Simon's got a little gift for you. Let's add it to our collection. These special slimes come in so many colors. But they might be lonely in all those jars. Why don't we bring them all together? We could keep them like this, but let's mix things up. What a lovely shade of brown, the color of chocolate. Oren, what's wrong? Oh, there's a prize inside. Uh-oh, you know who? Not much of a prize. You hear that? It's our old pal Wenda. But she doesn't look too good. Let's check her out. Ooh, talk about indigestion and all that slime. I think we could put it to better use. Add some cute things and sprinkles. Come on, we need sugar, spice, and everything nice. And our special ingredient, elbow grease. Wow, things are looking much better already. Here, Wenda, this stuff should perk you up. After all, it's what's inside that counts. Now we just need to stitch you back up. Wow, you're looking better already. Said Halloween should have gifts. Oh, I was hoping for a monkey's paw. Ugh, it's covered in all these pimples. Let's clear all that dead skin so everyone can see your nice stitch work. Much better. Now I think it's time for a manicure. And we know just where to put you. You know, pasta's usually eaten with utensils. Of course, it doesn't usually come with tiny hands either. Still, always nice to have some helping hands. And they don't mind getting a little dirty. But that's not all they can do. It'll get all those hard-to-reach places. And finally relate to your pet spider. Oh, what a creepy doll face. It's like marionette level creepy. Wow, this shirt comes with its own video. How does that work? Oh, wow. It's kind of like an animated shirt. Well, that's strategically placed. And you finally have a reading buddy. Yeah, 2 books is less. The Sprunki witch grants wishes. Of course, she'll need a little help with the ingredients. Well, let's help you get started. Here's a toadstool. Oh, and here's that rainbow flower. Last but not least, a bunny bat. Time for a deposit. And a withdrawal. Looks like Aqua wants her baby back. You need a skull, gems, and a frog. What better place to look than Slime Mart? It's okay, she's got an eye for these things. Remind me to invite her to our next scavenger hunt. Okay, one last item. We found all 3. Let's see the witch to make a switch. Wow, your baby sure looks like a key. I think you should follow that crow. Yeah, I'm not gonna ask what the witch was doing with this cage. Zombies. We found one. Pinky's always got her head in the clouds. Something tells me to look behind that rock. Okay, it's time for you guys to get your shots. You guys are looking better already. And look, you're even regrowing your skin. Don't worry, guys. There's plenty to go around. Just a little bit goes a long way. Of course, love always wins in the end. Okay, this is just not your day. Remember, when you come into some money, it pays to invest in a little security. You know who's not going to be happy to see this. Okay, everybody, let's get ready to rumble! The rules of the game? Roll a die to see what happens next. Blue gets the first hit. You okay, Red? It's your turn next, Red. Put 'em up. Looks like you two are evenly matched. The winner might be whoever gets the most turns. Careful, Red. You're in the, well, red. This could be anyone's game. Time for the final roll. Okay, Red, it's your turn. And we have a winner. The consolation prize, a nice cozy cell. The winner takes it all, but this one gives back. Aw, this poor Labubu needs our help. Here, we'll treat you to a nice warm meal. Aw, our Sprunki friends want to help. Simon and Wenda will help with the main course. Next, it's time we start heating things up. And what do yellow and white make? A sunny side up egg. Next, Tunner wants to help out too. Set the timer to break a clock. Now that's what I call toasty. Ah, sliced bread. Need I say more? Anyone want orange juice? Ha! I'll be here all night, folks. Not quite freshly